Y'all, this coffee is so good. Like, it wakes me up. Just the smell of coffee. I love the smell of coffee. Plus, it's pumpkin spice. As of September 1st, y'all, I've been ordering everything that I need to get my coffee started in the morning. Like, I gotta have my puree. I have to have my pumpkin spice syrup. Whew, it's been one of those seasons where, you know, I'm just getting in my mood. And it's such a grateful mood. I'm grateful for you guys. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful, you know, to be able to do this. I'm happy to just be in a great space and be able to create these videos with you guys. And I'm just feeling it today. Like, I'm feeling it. I'm wearing something nice today. I'm doing my hair. I'm doing my makeup with you guys. So got to get that extra energy. Okay, y'all. So let's get started. We're going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm just going to prime my face. I just used my Lush exfoliating sugar scrub on my face, and then I used my vitamin E, and then my Black Girl sunscreen. So now I'm going in with my primer. Make sure you get this primer everywhere on your face. Like, make sure you put it all over your skin to protect it. And I really love this primer. It's so lightweight. My goal hopefully is to try to find the pink the Grip Primer by e.l.f. I have the teal colored one, but I heard the pink one was a game changer. So I want to try to find that one. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm going to just go ahead and hydrate my face a little bit. And I love this, absolutely love this coconut water. It was $7.99 from TJ Maxx. It just keeps my makeup just hydrated looking to me. My face is hydrated. I use this actually every morning. So we're going to be trying the Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint by Maybelline. My girl Bree posted it and I was like, you know what, girl, I got to go try it. So I went and found it at CVS. Or was it CVS? No, Walgreens. CVS didn't have it. So I went to Walgreens. I found it there, picked it up. This is in the shade 312. So I'm going to just go ahead and put a few drops of that on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the shade 13. And I am going to mix the two. So I'm also gonna be putting this on the back of my hand as well. And we'll be mixing it. Let me close everything because I'm wearing a white shirt, y'all. And y'all already know homegirl be a little clumsy sometimes. And I'm not trying to waste any product on myself. So I will be taking a regular foundation brush and going in to blend everything or apply everything. So in this process, I'm gonna just be hydrating my face on every step. So I'm gonna go in with my coconut water again and also my fan. And I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just go in and kind of blend everything out. And as you can see, it does have a glow to it. You can see my skin is literally like, it looks like golden. Like my skin is looking very golden with this. So now that I have that on, I'm gonna go in with my powder and I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit while I work on my eyes. And I'm pressing my setting powder in my skin, like just pressing it in there. Anywhere that I feel like I may get a little sweaty, that's why I'll be applying it. So like usually, or even, you know, either places that you think will crease. So for me, it's around my nose area because sometimes my nose, my allergies are acting up. So my nose will get a little stuffy when I'm outside. So I'm gonna put it under there. Also my chin and like in the corner. And I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. For this, I did use the Laura Mercier. This is the translucent. Love this. Going in with my Essence. This is the Volume Mascara. Seen this on TikTok, bought it. At first it wasn't giving, but then I had to, you know, put a couple coats. And I was like, okay, all right, TikTok. I'm a believer now. I'm a believer. And I'm just doing this because I'm gonna be applying my lashes. And I feel like it makes it easier when I put on my lashes. Now we're gonna work on the brows. So you guys already know I love to use the NYX. And this is kind of just to hold my brows in place. Cause baby, your girl done got her brows back. They brows, like they browing right now. Cause before, sis, they were not. They were all cut, chopped, and screwed. Like they were officially chopped and screwed. T-Pain voice. I was crying a little bit. I ain't gonna cap. I was just like, wow, how did I allow myself to do this to myself? So I let that dry. Obviously my brows are a little bit upward, but once it dries, I'm gonna brush them down and then fill it in. For my eyes, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just gonna go in with this palette. I love this palette so much. TJ Maxx. It was worth the $12.99 because y'all know. I was like, is it worth $12.99? But it was worth it. Love the colors. I'm going in with this brown color and I'm just using that on my lids. Just found out about this pen. I love it absolutely so much. This is the NYX. This is the brow tint pen and I got this from Ulta. And this just like creates that illusion that you have like hairs in the front, even though you really probably ain't got none because you don't wax them off or arch them off like me. But they don't know that. Why you looking at my face like that? You can't, no, you don't know that. That's on a need to know basis. And you don't need to know. If you could see it, you could tell that I ain't have no hair right here because I obviously, well, I do have hair. It's just pretty fine, so you won't be able to see it, but I like to think I have hair right there, so, you know. I'm gonna line my lips with my liner. This is in the color brown. And this is just a regular Beauty Stir liner. And I'm gonna go in just with a gloss on top. So I'm gonna go in with Fenty. This is in the color Hot Chocolate. That's how it looks. Got this from Ulta. Love this as well. It's not too cakey. It's just like the right amount of hydration. And that's just to put the look together because I am wearing like a, you know, like a brown type of vibe with the white shirts, just something laid back and chilled. So yes, don't have to do too much. Gonna go in now and just wipe off all of the powder on my face, just using a regular brush to do so. So I'm gonna use the same brush that I used to wipe off the powder. I'm gonna apply my finishing powder, and this is in the color Creamy Bronze. So this is the bronzer by Black Radiance. Love this one, I got it from Walmart. Works very, very well. And I'm just gonna use that to put some color back into my face. And if you know me, I don't really contour much. So yeah. This is the contouring for me, sis. Okay, earring, you is doing too much. I'm gonna take my concealer and just apply a little right on my nose. Like not even a lot, y'all. Just like a little drop. And I will take my just a regular brush and just put a little, you know, a little glow right there. Nothing crazy. This was stuff be getting real, y'all, because I be feeling like I be going over here, over there. I never go right down the middle. I don't know. The brushes don't be directing me. Like, look at that. Like, what, girl? How you all the way over there? I'm just putting a little bit of that bronzer right underneath my brows and like a little bit in the middle where I just contoured. Or sorry, in the middle where I just did the little concealer. Okay, so we're done with that. What we gonna do, girls? Coconut water. Go back in with that coconut water. Okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. I feel like the face is very flawless. It's giving like minimum done. It's giving this is my skin. Even though it's just a tint, it's just giving, you know, it's giving that soft look to me. Like you didn't have to do much. You just woke up, yarned, and you was like, yes, this is me. So yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. I used it 2 times. So I used it sometime last week when I went to work just to see how it was gonna be acting. And then I put it on again today. So I don't use any foundation. I've just been using it by itself. And I love the way that it's very lightweight. Don't feel like I'm wearing anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the hair, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am back now. I do have on my cap, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my hair. I do have 6 braids down the middle. I'm just gonna pull that back a little bit so it's not like right on my temple area, because that would cause some headaches. And that also would cause hair loss, just so you know. So you always wanna kind of move this thick band a little bit back. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of Even. Okay, y'all, so my husband did buy me a electric hot comb, and it came, I used it on my actual normal hair, and it got my hair so straight. So I'm gonna be using that for the hair. I did feel a little like I could just go ahead and cut some bangs in my hair last night. Why did I feel like that? I have no idea. This is how she looks. She doesn't shed. Like, I love this wig. It's a 100% human. You can flat iron it. So these are the bangs I tried to cut in there last night. I do need to flat iron the hair, so we're gonna do that now. I'm gonna just throw it on. These are how the bangs look. Like I said, I cut them last night. I don't know why I was feeling like, girl. Lately, I've been feeling like, girl, just do it. Don't be waiting, just do it. Just do what you want to do. It's okay. If it don't come out right, you could take it off. Like, it's not that serious, homegirl. So lately I've been just doing what I want to do. So we're gonna part this in sections, 1 and 2, and we're gonna go ahead and start to press out our hair because it's been in the bag for a whole year, so you need some pressing. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. This is how the hot comb looks. It is very cute. It has like different settings. It goes all the way up to 20. I'm gonna put this at 10 because this is a it's 100% human, but I don't be trusting it. I don't trust it, y'all. I'm sorry, I don't trust it. So yeah, we're gonna just be safe, and I'm gonna keep my flat iron. Y'all already know my hot tools. It's gonna be at 250. Or sorry, it's gonna be at 245. And that's just like I said, because I don't want to chance anything with this hair. It says you can flat iron it up to 400, but I don't want to do it. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be given today. But we have the hot comb, and it's a little hot, so we're gonna give it 1 little press with the hot comb. And then after that, I'm gonna go through it with my flat iron. So you can definitely see the difference between this side being flat iron versus this side. I did purchase a black wig, but it's very short. It's more like a bob. So that was the one I was going to put on, but I was in the mood to wear blonde. So that's why it's so good to save your wig and wash them so that you have them and you're not having to use more money. Like, no, I'm into saving money, not always spending money. So yeah, for this to be a wig that I wore last year, baby, it definitely lasts. Y'all already know, lashes always make a look. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.